So I'm starting with minimal leave out at the top and minimal leave out at the sides, but I just wanted to leave enough out so if I wanted to pull my hair back, you wouldn't be able to see anything. My braid pattern is just me braiding my hair down in some form or fashion. And yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and start pinning my hair up. I did leave just a little bit of hair out at the back just in case I want to put it up into a ponytail later. And now I'm just using my white eyeliner pen to just mark out where my tracks will stop and where my leave out will begin. And then I'm just going in with the Morning Glory Bond Protector, putting it all over the cap, and I'm going to rub it in, make sure I like saturate the cap in my hair with this stuff. And honestly, I use it not only to protect my hair, but I feel like it prevents my cap from sliding after I put the tracks on. Just for an extra layer of protection, I'm going on with the Got To Be Free Spray. I actually like this because it makes the cap hard so that when I put the tracks on, I feel like it's more sturdier and they're less likely to slip. And then also it's just an extra layer of protection between my hair and that glue. So the hair that I'm going to be installing today is from a company called Ula Hair. All of their information will be in the description box below. I got 3 bundles of their 26-inch loose wave hair, and they sent me lots of goodies in the bag as well. So you would get a comb, a bonnet, some cards. No, these cards are like hair care cards, but you also get a stocking cap and some eyelashes. Ooh, Ula. Y'all, please stay tuned to the end of this video to see how this hair really holds up. Okay, so going in with the install, honestly, putting in tracks is a 5-step process. You're first gonna measure the hair from side to side. When starting at the back, it can be a little tricky because it likes to roll up in the back. But you know, just take your time and make sure it goes from end of the cap to the end of the cap. Step 2 is to cut the track. Step 3 is to measure it one more time to make sure it fits for real, and then you can go ahead and put the glue on the track, which is step 4. Blow it off real quick to make sure it's dry. Then step 5 is to use your fingers to feel where the track should go, just to make sure it's in the right place. And if you missed it this time, that's okay, because I'm going to go through these steps all over again, but in faster speed. So here I'm using my finger to feel where my last track was before I put my new track on, just to make sure I'm not laying like tracks on top of each other. Definitely feel your way, because I know you can't see the back of your head. Just feel your way to the correct spot and you should be okay. Y'all, I'm tired. We done almost. Now we gotta style the hair. But before we can do so, we gotta cut that cap. Make sure you cut the cap and not your hair. Cut the cap and not the track. Cut the cap and not the track or your hair. Cut the cap or not the track or your hair. Sorry. Loompa, loompa, doobity-doo. Baby. Y'all, so I couldn't resist. I had to add another track at the top just to make it fuller. Again, it's just a personal preference. If you don't want to do this, you don't have to, but I had to. Hey, what's up you guys? I just wanted to come in real quick and talk a little bit about this hair. Only because as you could see like 0.5 seconds ago in earlier clips, this hair was really curly. And so I just kind of wanted to give you a little update on how the hair actually holds up and everything. So this is about 4 days later and the curls are actually more of this like wavy pattern and less of the like spirally curls that you saw. But even though the waves are still pretty, like I just sprayed some water on it a little bit before this. But if you put mousse on it, it'll hold that wavy pattern. But this is wavy hair. So I know it looked really curly and I think it's just because I just took it out the pack and I didn't even co-wash it when I just took it out. Like as you can see in the video, I just took it out and installed it. So that's why the pattern looked like that. But after you co-wash it and everything, like it will look like this. And I would say that other curl pattern probably lasted for about like 2 days, 2-3 days. And today's like the 4th day and it's definitely like a wave. Okay, because it had those curls in it earlier, the curls kind of made it tangly, but now that it's more of a wave, I don't have issues with like tangles and stuff. Like it holds up just fine. I don't get a lot of shedding with this hair. Like it does shed from time to time, but not too much. But besides that, it's really pretty hair. I'm gonna flat iron it and I'll probably show you what it looks like flat ironed if it's not in the thumbnail. But yeah, just wanted to give you that update. Adios till next time.